Ever dreamed of bringing your imagination to life on screen without spending hours learning complex animation software? Today, we're diving into Leonardo AI and uncovering how it can turn your ideas into captivating short videos, motion graphics, and visual sequences, even if you're a complete beginner. First, you'll need to create a Leonardo AI account and navigate to the image generation tool. The magic starts with a well-crafted prompt. Be specific. Describe the scene, the characters, the desired animation style, and even the mood you're aiming for. For example, a futuristic robot dancing in a neon-lit city, upbeat synthwave music, 3D animation. Next, explore Leonardo AI's style options. Experiment with 3D animation, cartoon styles, or even photorealistic settings. The right style will dramatically impact your final video's look and feel. So don't be afraid to try different combinations. Delve into the parameters and settings. While Leonardo AI might not offer full control over every animation detail, adjust the frame rate, resolution, and perhaps the motion strength if available to fine-tune your video's quality and fluidity. Now, generate your video. Leonardo AI will work its magic, transforming your prompt and settings into a short animation or visual sequence. Once you're happy with the result, download your video and it's ready to share. Leonardo AI opens up exciting possibilities for content creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to add a touch of an iPod animation to their projects. So, unleash your creativity and start exploring the world of AI video creation with Leonardo AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own Leonardo AI creations in the comments below.